The number one question that I always get about immigration cases is how long is it going to take? And more recently, is anything changing with processing times under Trump's administration? What I want people to understand is that processing times are not consistent. You can have two marriage green card cases that pretty much look exactly the same, but get processed at totally different times. And this is the case even before Trump's administration. I was recently at the local USCIS office in Salt Lake City, and I had a chance to talk to one of the supervisors, and one of the questions that I asked him was how their processing times have changed, if at all. He told me that the processing times overall haven't really changed, and in fact they are trying to get more people scheduled for their naturalization ceremonies and their interviews scheduled for their green cards. We are still early in Trump's administration to really know how processing times are going to be affected overall. But recently I had a marriage green card case that got approved with no interview, and I also had a client get his work permit approved within about 2 months, and this was all very recent and after Trump became president. I know that there's been a lot of talk about the mass deportation and things like that, and Trump addressing the illegal immigration, but as far as the legal immigration processes like your marriage green card cases, fiancé cases, waiver cases, those are all still being accepted and continuing to be processed. I've said this many times in my videos before, but if you have an immigration benefit that you qualify for, or maybe you don't know if you qualify for it, talk to an immigration attorney like myself to figure out what you can do, because it's a waste of time for you to not do anything when really you could have maybe had your green card by now. So the best time to start is now.